Quiet, closed toilet seats and modern flush mechanisms reduce noise and improve reliability for everyday bathroom use. Toilets that include quiet, closed seats and modern flush valves offer tangible benefits for comfort and longevity. Quiet, closed seats prevent slamming, which protects porcelain and reduces sudden loud noises that can wake others. Modern flush mechanisms use improved valves and optimized trapway geometry to move waste efficiently while using the same or less water than older designs. Look for toilets with pressure-assisted or dual-action gravity systems that match your supply pressure and waste flow needs. Installers should check waterline size and shutoff valve condition before swapping units. For quiet, closed seats, choose molded resin or solid wood with stainless steel hinges and verify the hinge tension is adjustable so the seat closes at a controlled rate. Routine maintenance is simple. Inspect the flapper or fill valve monthly. Clear mineral deposits with vinegar so seals seat properly, and replace worn gaskets to prevent slow leaks. When selecting an all-in-one model, consider warranty coverage and whether the seat and valve are replaceable parts to extend service life without replacing the entire toilet. Common problems include slow or weak flushes from partial blockages or mismatched trapway size. Resolve this by checking for obstructions, confirming trapway diameter, and adjusting or replacing the flush valve to increase flow path. Another issue is persistent leaks from worn seals or improper installation. Stop the leak by tightening bolts to manufacturer torque, replacing wax or rubber seals, and testing tank-to-bowl connections for proper fit. A third concern is noisy or uneven seat action caused by low-quality hinges or ceramic contact. Swap to a seat with stainless steel damped hinges and verify hinge inserts align squarely with the bowl to prevent rubbing and premature wear. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects focused on efficient bathrooms so we can find local pros and post-project details. Our site helps contractors find work through searchable listings, and we host an active discussion community where users and professionals exchange tips and product experiences.